People often think that junk food is the reason why they're gaining weight, okay? And this is actually a huge miss. So, does junk food really lead to weight gain? Well, the deal with junk food is that it is extremely high in calories, okay? So that's one of the big things. That's a kind of a red flag, right? It's also very low in satiety, or the ability to make us feel full. And they're also extremely easy to overeat. So you might be thinking, okay, this doesn't sound good at all. This sounds like it's incredibly difficult to maintain your weight when eating these foods. It seems like this is literally the sole reason I'm going to gain weight. Well, here's the deal. In moderation, junk food won't cause weight gain. And what I mean by this is that the calories are the king at the end of the day. So if it takes 2,000 calories, for example, for you to maintain your weight, right, and you eat 1,500 calories of junk food, guess what's going to happen? You're going to lose weight. Of course, you are going to lose a little bit of muscle mass, and you are also going to lose a little bit of strength as well, but you will ultimately lose weight. And that's kind of one of the big things I want to reiterate at the end of the day. You can eat junk food and you can eat these quote unquote not the best calories, not the best healthy of calories, and ultimately you will lose weight, okay? It doesn't matter what you're eating. Now, your body composition will be tremendously affected by this, but at the end of the day, you do you on whatever is comfortable and will help you reach your overall goals. So go ahead and have that Snickers bar. Don't feel too bad about it, but just realize you need to keep your calories in check. Like the video if that gave you some good value.